So is it visible now, right? Is it visible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So here, so I mentioned like name. Whenever the name is null, I need to show up the new employee. Otherwise, if any value exists, so it will show that value only. So like this. See here, this is the name column only. So name is there. So DEF, the same values. But whenever we have null value, it will show new employee, new employee, new employee. So instead of this name column, I can use this column now. So name column. So temporary purpose is like I manipulate the data. In select list temporary purpose, I will show it like this. Similarly, these two. Okay. Physically, it was same, remain same here. I'm not doing any physical activity here. Like I'm not changed any structure table data. Temporary purpose in select statement, I manipulate the data by using in null function. Understand? So when I run like select star from employee, so actual data should be same. See, null, 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 null. But temporary purpose, I use the null functions and manipulate like this. Like here I mentioned column name salary. Instead of the above one, I can use this like this. Understand? This is null function, is null. We can use in select statement like this. Okay. And second one is coalesce. Coalesce means whenever we have like a multiple column names, it will return the first not null value. Coalesce will returns the first not null value. For example, select coalesce. I have how many parameters? 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 parameters. So I passed 6 parameters. Null, 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 school, null, example. Okay. When I run this one, it will return the first not null value. So first initially it will verify here. Is there any value here or not? So again verified here. Still it is null. Again verified here. Still it is null. Again verified here. So here it this found value. So it will return this one. So there is no limitation. For is null, we have a limitation. You need to use only one column and value only. But here there is no limitation. You can use multiple columns here. So which column returns the value first, it will return that one. Same example here below is see. Here value is there. Later null, null, value, null, this one. It will return first not null value. It will come here and they have a value. So it is not null only. So it will return this one. We will run both. See? So first it will verify here null, null, null. So here value is there. So it is printed. And here starting only they identify the value. So it print that one. Okay. So coalesce function will return the first not null value. That is coalesce. These two are the null functions we use it frequently in our project. You know the difference between these two, right? Is null and coalesce. Why we are using this, I will tell you the one example. For example, I have the um, phone number, phone numbers. So this is my employee table, and first office phone number, not office. First initially home phone number, and later work phone number. So I need to call the this person employee ID 1. Okay. First initially I will try with the home phone number. Later if it is he is not picking this phone, then I will go to work phone number. Okay. So if it is null means definitely I need to call to this number, right? If in case if I have phone number in here and here, definitely I will call this number first. If it is null, then only I will go to here. If you have number in this home phone number, I will call this number. If he is not reachable or anything, there is different scenario. I will go with this number. But initially, I need to contact this number first. In this scenario, I will take this number first. Even they have like a mobile phone number is there, like 456. In this scenario also, I will take this one only. First, I will got this number, right? So I will take this number. Like that, colon will function will return this one. It will return first not null value. And if you want to know the version name, what SQL server we are using, we can use at the rate of server name like this. See, this is my server name. Where I need to find this server name? See here, desktop SOLSLVA4. This is my actual Microsoft SQL server name. This is the name I have given while installing. Okay. If anyone asks you what is your server name, so you can write like select at the rate of server name and execute like this. So you need to know, okay, this is my server name. If any one of your friend or like your colleague or someone ask you which version you are using, so you can write like select at the rate of version. You can execute this one. See, this is Microsoft SQL Server 2019 version. Okay. Server name means, so what server you are using. Version means in SQL Server what version you are using. So in any version, similarly, they look like same. They have same object expose, same UI, but you should know like which version you are working. So in that scenario, you can execute this one. You will identify like whether this is the 14 version or 16 or 19 or 22. Got it? So these are the string functions I covered, null functions I covered. Now I am going to explain the union and union all. So these functions you can prepare. Okay. This is the system defined functions. Aggregate function yesterday I explained like average, min, max, sum, count, these things. And date functions I explained date add, date diff, these things. And this string functions also I explained like max covered as left, length, lower, L trim, R trim. And I explained is null functions as well. Now I'm going to explain the union and union all. Union and union all. Select a star from employee. So this is my table. So same table I need to union. My column names are EMP ID, comma name. Name is not null, so it will return the only not null value. Select star from employee. This is their condition. Name is not null means actual one is what is that? It will show all the values, complete data it will show. But I need the complete, this information should be not null. So I mentioned where name is not null. So whatever the value is there, only those values will come here. See? If I mention null, so whatever the name is null, those values will only it will return. So name is not null. So I need mandatory column. So it has 2, 4, 5. Okay. I can join this with the same. This is for duplicate table duplication. So I will tell you. Select star from employee. This is my table, right? Same table, I need the replica. Same structure, same data, I need replica. Select star from employment. This is, I have employee table structure and I have 6 rows is there, right? In same table, I need one replica means I need to do like this. Select star into employee new. Okay. Select star. Only I need to write like this. Select star into employee from from employee table. From this, it will take the employee table and replica it will created like duplicate copy. So we have like this one is there. Siva details is there. I copied and pasted. See, Siva copied. Siva details copy. So it was pasted with same, right? Only the name is different, right? Siva details is there. When I pasted here, it shows like Siva details copy. Similarly, select star from employee, like select star into my new table name it is. So I'm executing this. 6 rows affected. See, select star from employee, select employee new. See, second table also ran, right? So this is a duplicate copy. Whatever employee table is there, same data exists in here as well, right? Like that, we can copy the data and here employee UN. Okay. Now our actual topic now is union and union all. Union and union all. So I have two tables, employee table and employee UN. In employee table, I have employee ID, name, salary, active. But in employee ID, I have employee ID and name only. Okay. So I need to join these two tables, employee ID, comma, name, employee ID, comma, name. I ran these two tables. See how many rows is there. So in employee table, we have 6 rows. In employee UN, I have 3 rows only, 2, 4, 5, right? So I need to combine these two. I need the output as a this 6 and this 3, 9 rows into single result set. Okay, I will try with union. Enter union all. Union all. I will execute this. See, this two result set comes under this here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I mean 4, 5, 6 and 2, 4, 5. Right? It joined this result set and this result set, right? That is the use of union all. It will combine the two result sets. Make sure both the columns has same. Like if it is employee ID, here you should maintain like maybe it is only ID as well, but the data type should be matched. Sometimes this table column is employee ID. Sometimes this table column is only ID. Sometimes this table name is name. Here may be chance for employee name. That is fine. Only we need to care about is data type should be matched. Let's take example. Here I can mention like name. Here I will mention like employee ID. Individually, if I run this, it will give result set. If I run this, it will give the result set. But when we combine these two, see, it is a conversion error. Why? Because it is integer field, it is varchar. It is varchar, it is integer field. So make sure before applying any union and union all, make sure two things we need to remember. First one is same number of column names. Like here I mentioned two. If I mention like a comma salary, it won't work. Why? Because here three column names is there, but here you have only two. So it will not combine the result set. It will show that one equal number of expression we should mention. Must have equal number of expression. So make sure both should be the same number of columns. First, that is first priority. Second one is make sure it should match the same data types. So if it is integer, make sure below value also integer. If it is varchar, below also varchar. If it is date, it should be date, like that. Okay, then only union will happen. So if I perform union all, what will return? It will combine the two result sets. The first result set is 1 2 3 4 5 6, and second result set is 2 4 5. So when I apply union all, it combine the two result sets. Okay, that is union all. But what union will do? Union all means definitely it will combine the two result sets. So it does not bother about it is a unique value, it is a duplicate value. But union, it will bother about the values. Like, see what it will return. Only it will common values it will return. Duplicate, it does not allow duplicate values. Right? This is union result set. It does not allow duplicate value. So here one null is available here. One null is not there. So it will print one null one time. Here two DEF is there. Here also two DEF is there. But it printed only one time. Earlier it union null means it allowed duplicate as well. For that reason it printed two DEF twice. But union it does not allow duplicate. So it will return only distinct values. Okay, that is the reason in result set we have two values, 2def, 2def. It will take only one time, 2def. 3 null is there, but 3 null is not available anywhere. So single time it will printed. 4jkl is there, but again 4jkl is available here. So it will return 4jkl one time only. Null. Union all. I will run all together. These two are in table 1 and table 2. If I apply union, it does not allow duplicates. If I apply union all, it allows duplicates as well. See, it allows duplicates 2def, 2def. That is the difference on union and union all. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What union will do? Rajat, what union will do? It combine the result sets and return the unique values. It does not allow duplicate values. This is union. It combine the result set and return the unique values. It does not allow duplicate values. Make sure both column names should match with same data types. I show you as well, right? When I mention employee ID name and below I use like name and employee ID, it does not match. And make sure both should be the same number of columns. So this is union. And what is union all? Union all. It combine the result set and return the duplicate data as well. The duplicate data as well. It allow duplicate values Make sure both columns should match the same number of data types. Both should be same. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tomorrow I will explain the important topic like joins. Okay, from tomorrow onwards, every class is important. Like I can explain, I will show you. Like, I will explain the joins and subqueries. Later, I will explain the stored procedures, then functions and views, trigger, index, and we have temp tables, table variable, CTE. What else we have? Loops we have like a while loop, if statements. Hmm? Few more small topics is that these all whatever I listed here. These are very important topics. These should be used in our real time. Definitely daily we will use stored procedures, joins, subqueries, functions. From these four daily we will use, and we will use these temp tables. And sometimes we use these loops. Rarely we use like triggers and views. Indexing also we use. This is the like high level topic. This is lastly I can explain this one like performance tuning. Okay, from tomorrow onwards I will explain the joins. This is very important topic. Okay, make sure you can prepare well. I will paste here.